Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well. So here we have came to a new video. In this video I am gonna unbox this brand new phone Redmi 12C. I have purchased it from Amazon. You can see here and it cost me only uh, 7,000 rupees, and as as for my expectation, this price is great enough to purchase, and it came with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. So let's get started. Unbox this phone. So here this amazing phone with mint green color. I have liked this color, so I have decided to purchase this one. It came with three variant of lavender purple, royal blue, and this mint green. So this is the main material, and it came with 50 megapixel camera. This camera is 50 megapixel, and it have 5000 mAh battery with a long support of 10-watt charging. Here its charger, 10-watt charger of B type cable. Yes, it is of B type cable. So it is the cheapest phone I have ordered from Amazon in this big billion day sale and great festival of India, Amazon. So it came with latest Android version, and I have updated this version. So concludingly, this is great phone. You can purchase it. Thank you. Subscribe and like.